with Tasi!
Hello, little learners. Today we're learning a brand new letter. It's the amazing letter A. Can you say it with me? A. This is uppercase A. A is the first letter of the alphabet. Hooray! And this is lowercase a. A is for apple, ant, airplane, flying in the sky. Can you trace the letter A in the air? Great job!
Now for people sing on the ground. A is for apple, red and round. A is for ant crawling on the ground. A is for airplane flying above. A is a letter we learn and love.
You did it! You learned the letter A. Give yourself a big round of applause. See you next time when we meet the letter B.